The SAMR model is how teachers adopt technology. Promethean takes this seriously. We have designed tools that allow teachers to simply progress through each level. There are 4 levels: substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Our newest pre-installed app is the Promethean Whiteboard. Let me show you how simple this is. Teachers can feel comfortable coming up to the panel, finding their familiar tools, and simply start writing. When they're ready for functional improvement, we've got preloaded resources for teachers to choose from. In order to engage our students, we have some pre-installed tools to do so, as well as the ability for multiple users. In order to immerse our students, no matter what ecosystem you use, we can connect you.